Hello there. Today I am going to teach you how to input your data for your curl-ups and push-ups. We will be doing this weekly on your Thursday or Friday class, whatever class you have with us. So together each day on Zoom for the Thursday, Friday block, we will be taking attendance. We'll do our warm-up. We're going to then you guys will complete your curl-ups and push-ups. We'll give you a couple minutes, and then you will log your curl-ups and push-ups. So I'm going to show you where the log will be located. It will be posted as an assignment. So this week, you will see it's in week 2. It's on the Thursday, Friday block. You're going to open it up. So the data graph, this looks a little bit different because I am the teacher, but the directions are here. So weekly, we want you to complete curl-ups and push-ups and track your progress. Each of you will open the document below and insert your data for the day. If the date is incorrect, and I'll go over that, if the data is incorrect, or if the date is incorrect, you can go ahead and change it. So I believe that this is marked for a Thursday block. So if you have a Friday block, you can type in the Friday block day. We are going to pretend again that I did 30. So this is what it'll look like when you guys receive it. So we're going to put in 30 curl ups, and you can see that it automatically graphed it. Say we did 15 push-ups, automatically graphed, and then say you walked for 15 minutes. We aren't completing the mile right now, but we are asking you to walk for 15 minutes. So we're just going to put 15 minutes, and you can see that that is input there. If you do decide to walk a little bit longer, then you can go ahead and put in your time if you would like. It's not mandatory though. So then what you'll do is once you're done, you'll have an option to submit it. So then you'll submit it, and we'll be able to grade. You'll see right here, we'll be able to go to needs grading, and then we'll be able to grade your documents. So if you have questions, feel free to contact Mr. Benuelos or myself.